In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where Discord won't open or start. There isn't a single solution that works for everyone, so you'll need to go through each step to find what works for you. First, clear Discord's cache files. Open the Start menu, search for Run, and open it. Type %appdata% and press Enter. In the folder that appears, find and open the Discord folder. Inside, you'll see several folders: Delete Cache, Code Cache, and GPU Cache by right-clicking each one and selecting Delete. If you get an error saying the folders can't be deleted, it means Discord is still running in the background. Press Ctrl, Alt, Delete, open Task Manager, search for Discord, right-click it, and select End Task. Then go back and delete the folders. Don't worry, these files will be recreated when you relaunch Discord. If that doesn't fix it, try running Discord as an administrator. Go to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut, and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations and run this program as an administrator, then click Apply and OK. Still not working? Check for corrupted system files. Open the Start menu, search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and run it as administrator. In the window, type sfc/scano, press Enter, and wait for the scan to complete. It will automatically fix any missing or corrupted system files. Next, make sure your firewall isn't blocking Discord. Search for Windows Defender Firewall in the Start menu and open it. Click Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall, then select Change Settings. Click Allow another app, then browse and locate the Discord installation file. If you're not sure where it is, go to your desktop, right-click the Discord shortcut, and select Open File Location. Copy that path, go back to the firewall window, paste it into the Browse field, and press Enter. Select the Discord update file, click Add, and make sure both private and public are checked. Click OK to save. If none of these steps work, the last option is a clean reinstall. Open the Start menu, search for Add or Remove Programs, find Discord, click the three dots, and uninstall it. Then go to the official Discord website and download the latest version for Windows. Hopefully, one of these methods solved your problem. If you're still having issues, feel free to leave a comment and I'll try to help. If this helped you, consider liking the video and subscribing for more tutorials.